Greeting to you guys. Good evening from here. Don't know this. How you doing? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. I don't want to waste much time on this particular topic because on the norms, somebody like me, a question like I know him in the category of saying like making a video or wasting my energy on something that has to do with things like this. More especially, Yebasaro Oku Mungwai. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly. If you can hear me clearly, let me know. Donadis, can you hear me clearly? If you can hear me clearly, let me know. I see you. Ezudo Samson, I also see you. Greetings. Onaji Emmanuel, Mike Obi, Lotachuku, Adazion, Akiyoma, Smart Yugu. I see all of you. If you guys can hear me clearly, let me know. Good evening from here, my man, Michael Obi. Now I'm going habit of energy drink in Abana, and it's not good. So the thing is that, okay, don't know this. The thing is that smart NJ answer the sharp. Smart half of Monday na drag again in a comment anyhow na post. Don't mind them, more jealous in them. Some people are liking a busybody. So don't mind them, okay? I got you. All right, smart. Those Key Nation, good evening from here. The thing is that I made a post earlier about one lady, Anna Mirabel. Before God and man, I don't know that lady from anywhere. Like, I've not seen her. Last time on for there, bo ebono na bare ndi Zion, na bare Zion ministry na ndi na-eme ndi na-aga Zion. You know, of which I didn't even say anything because when you're on my page here now, you can decide to say whatever you want to say. And secondly, somebody like me, when the name address, name address when it comes to Ihe Basaro Zion. So I have never for once addressed that lady, mention her like I'm a homo from anywhere. But before I go on and say this, it must make a post that somebody came to my DM, we drop or picture a bobo to my video ebe on a make or banje like in fact that lady is shameless. 17 in total. Me on a mad in a video where like baloto na a mehedia diara na pota a guy afa like me say onye me chose they have had the here. different type of pictures and video, 17 in number. You count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 17. Or somebody might drop one of my inbox. Because every weekend, I always try to check my inbox, come for some important messages. Maranding get respond to Onike Ham. Every Saturday, Sunday, can you check my inbox? But before I go on and say what I want to say regarding all these things, after I can make a post, when you send them voice notes based on ihe warranty that lady and Mirabel and Ogechi Njaka, like the lady or whoever that sent the voice made a bit sense, you know. So I will play the voice first. Then we play just that voice. I will go ahead and say what I want to say. That is Ebukwani Iwem. Ebe that lady anapomira beno. And the henji will make a post about ihe basari send them na my inbox on a norms. And my for things like that almost every time na my inbox. Some girls the shameless. You know, no way na bomb, but I try to visit the call. And my for things like that na my inbox almost every time. Madia bia a gear or bia or drop or nude. But don't feel and some girls the shameless and they had the desperate. So it's not as if no first time info something like that on my page. But the reason why I make a post about this one is that that lady said some certain things about me that I can like the whole security or the and people believed him. Him a lot of them once all Hannah that negative things about when Hannah like they will believe it and start using commenting, laughing at you about that thing with that thing they could about you. So before I will go on, let me play this voice in Mother send them after Onya Afro can make a post about her or send their own voice. Now call them no true they know the lady be here read the picture and the queen problem yana Ogechi well. You know, say this woman thing, I don't have time for it. You know, I am be on Facebook now. I'll come why I'll call Camber Tia and I have all the important things to do or to follow. But let me play this voice. Share this video as you are joining me. I have a lot of people to address this night. Just share this video. Voice are now mad sending voice.
Good evening, happy Sunday. I don't know if you're reading my mind. This is exactly what me and my sister was discussing today. My auntie that is based in US. He was like kind of Mirabel was the one that I said no, don't take sides. Look at how it happened. Even a lot of my friends were like against Sister Okay. I say you should not joke from one side without hearing from the both sides. They say I used to defend Sister Oge. I say I don't defend. I'm not even Sister Oge's friend. I am somebody that is distant from them.
Before I go ahead,
listen before I analyze. Are you getting my point?
Can you guys hear this voice? Before I go ahead and play the voice, can you guys hear it? Because this my mic just made misbehave. Can you guys hear the voice? If you can hear the voice, just let me know so that I'll go ahead and play the voice. Did you guys hear the voice? Part of the voice, the beginning. If you hear the voice, just let me know. Okay. So let me start afresh. Okay, let me start afresh.
Good evening, happy Sunday. I don't know if you're reading my mind. This is exactly what me and my sister was discussing today. My auntie that is based in US. he was like kind of, Mirabel was the one that I said, no, don't take sides. Look at how it happened. Even a lot of my friends were like against Sister Okay. I said, we should not judge from one side without hearing from the both sides.
Share this video.
They say
Share this video.
Sister Oge. I said, I don't defend. I'm not even Sister Oge's friend. I am somebody that is distant from them. I only watch, listen before I analyze. Are you getting my point? This Miriam used to be a friend to me. Like, he do come to my DM to chat me during one emo saga with one of my good friends. So she now became friend with me, but I never give her that attention. We should get mad. She even said it in her life. That princess come out here, person go the chat, you no go reply, or blah blah blah. Say, yeah, it is I get your time. It is, because I didn't give her that attention, because I'm a man in Dara, and I don't keep such friends around me. Understand? Like they say, in every action there is a reaction. Mirabel is somebody that Sister Oge help from afar. Amarogi ipotasi na diga wona. Let Joe carry down, because people are just labeling Sister Oge bad, but not even condemning the acts Mirabel did. You see, this MGC, I don't keep friends. I don't mingle with people that have low IQ. Because of the hate or the hatred they have for Sister Oge. Everything on her is bad. They are not even seeing the good side of her. And I don't care. Now, Mirabel is the person that Sister Oge helped from afar. Then you say you need so amount. They raised it. They provided your account. Now, Sister Oge called you. Ego choro agafela. Sister Oge say ego le. You now say so Amaya said they go the over than what you demand. When you return of 500k, they have an helpless people. They have helpless people they need to help. You became selfish. You started challenging her to do her worst. Then Stogena told you that he has your note. Or during the saga, a lot of people that you have sold your note to, they started giving the Stoge the tools. The Stoge was not telling you to send the money, or he will post your note. You challenge her to do it because you never expected that. The Sister Oge now posted it, and people are not liberated. They did not even condemn the act that what is Mirabel doing with note in her phone. Now, Onyobodo, during the saga between Onyobodo and Sister Ogechi, they are the one that called Mirabel, tell her what to say. Now, he's now using one word saying that Ogara on her own phone, Eba can't share. You that gave your son a phone to start videoing or whatever, I've not watched it. Even when my friend want to send it, ask Madame Elomo nonsense, Sam. Are you getting my points now?
Okay, I guess you guys had this voice. They sent me this voice after I made this post. The thing is that Saga, I'm aware of it, but I don't interested because I home why. But this particular lady, Mirabel, like I said, if not for Ihoneku against me, directly to me, I wouldn't have make a post that somebody may Fotia or no dossier drop or send there about her. And I believe Nunya send the quorum that thing Bokwa live video me, I think second to last video me. I was complaining. I mentioned her name that this lady has been going around. Nede na anom here na alacha ụmụnwaanyị ndị ọcha digo odi. That is exactly what this lady has been saying about me. Na no ihe na arụ ebe na alacha ndị agadi nwaanyị Igbo na akwụ m ụgwọ na akwụarị no nwaanyị dowe m no agadi nwaanyị dowe m no na alacha Igbo. She has been saying all manner of things to me. Na there. So I was complaining that thing on my second to last video. That I don't know her. I don't know her from anywhere. Just maybe. No kwa ihe onye send them this thing. Ji send the aromia. Kanji piawaya azu. Just like this voice send them na. Oge rezili ego cause na dey anwona. Erezichari ego dear says. And some people are fond of doing that. Ngwa return on some part of the money. Kenyo other people need dreyemaka. Ijuni gahe I return some part of that money. We no eba challenge onya. Onya say okay, maybe people have go kai ha si ada. You know say people like amiable. Mbe mad like rashid. Okwa nde nuru ki ihe na ada ye werukwe those picture your to na amayo onwe ya aka. That lady was doing all sort of things. Now those videos and picture. I believe no people are send the kwadi oge koyuzu against her. Just like they send it to me. You know? Oh dear gonna again on way ho game or we are no way ho game. Just maybe. Now or toaria no the phone. Cause an ordinary phone. Now Coco Combo story. According to some people need a defend there. Okay, now this lady, I don't know you from anywhere. I've never talked with you. Afunu be mganya before. Ama monye ebo. Muna game when be hoku. Like nothing. I like. Ama dim no may exist in this life. Ina agari ina se people na eho mua. Nihe na alo ina alachi ikpu. Umu agadi nwanyi ndo chakalonka ana akumugwo. Na ndi jobless mbunka mburu tout mbu. I don't even know her. Amahom not this irresponsible. And now I made this post about her. Some people after now say, can he make it the post this one, that one, forget ya. The fact that now most of us now put a name our 10 on social media, maybe neko about church or neko about the ministry, doesn't mean that na ya the high yara. You see somebody like me, ihe na akpọkwa nwa aka onye wete, ọkwa aka onye wete ka m menye gị. You know, now this lady with what I learned, ọ ya nwa na-eji aka ya ovidochi onwe ya. Ole na-enye guys ndị chukwu buru ọnụ ji agbọ ncha maybe. Just like he have very dark man name. I see some people saying that they are possible. No Ogechi wuru the noodles. Send the no Ogechi wuru the noodles. How possible? When you are trying to defend people and you come out to give that reason, you look so stupid. How possible? No Ogechi we Ogechi na narrow the lady picture. Ebe oboto uraka na-eti n'ike na say owe nke oji something ne ai Chineke afrom ihe anya m na afunbeho afrom like of obere ka anya m kpuo isi. How is it possible no Ogechi weje wuru the picture from phone the gear or just add the girl, you see, even if you know young was a gigi send the idea, Ibuewu, Emahi. Madame Tassi send the idea picture, baby, but he send the idea. Obuhufu, Obuhebo, Obuheto, Obuheno, Obuhise, Obuhisi, Obuesa, Obuasato, different till 17. When I said 17, Obukwano Josu, oye, let me say, oye, this singlet now. 17 of them, no, different. The more go on a bathroom, more gay, oh, me makeup, more go yakwa, more go on a bed, different type of. And you still see some people, they shamefully trying to defend her due to maybe her like Ihoge. Most of these people have said a lot of bad things against people like us, including mine, only because I'm trying to defend some of these lies. Hani tie bezel ministry no. kedu ụdị ihe ha na-ekwubeghọ ọ na nna akpọ ntu oge m trend na TikTok mmadụ call my attention na nna trend on TikTok asị na nna akpọ ntu ke ihe ha na-ekwubeghị about me. Those people, I don't know them, you know. And these people, what they dish out, they can't take it. Oh yeah, oh video for ya. Ono oji ọsọ gbaji Abuja na asị ha eluga Abuja afọ ya eluga Abuja this one that one n'ihe oge nwa ji aka ga-ele. Now you are trying to come out say na mwanka we na-efere ka na-asa yiri ka nji asa efere na agadi nwanyị ndị ọcha nọ here mwanka. One day, one made the company post ya back to back. People are laughing. Jidia na ne rubbish. Obruno na somebody like me. Bonye na yara yibu ya nisi. Okwa ngodi he ni na sendere m na wodi iwe release ye online of shoba. Abịaziri ikwu ya na ndị Chineke bụrụ ọnụ bịara ikwu ya na owezu ego ekwu nke uji m eme nke uji m wee kọọ. No nke mu amezi ka a ga-ekwu just like ihe na-eme between ha nwa n'oge. Most of ọnwụ na ọka trace ihe niile na-eme na ọ saga epụta na-akọ den onye ahụ ị na-agwa nke ya ewu iwe onye a gwazie gị nke iwe gị iwe owe karịzie gị iwe ịbawa je chọọ polisi chọwa ndị ga-akpọ ka ede petition ka eme ikizie ihu nji agbasaga ka ọ bụrụ real. I'm seeing some idiot na abịa na that comment na-ederu m ihe na-agbaka moto. Why are you posting about a woman noodles, this one, that one? Why are you saying this one? Why are you saying that one? But it's okay for a woman in a some bad things against me. Ihe name mbe n'ụwa. You know? Chief pilot, I'm trying to not chief pilot now. As we stand with the truth. We stand with the truth. I'm trying to add you, but it's not going. Maybe you go out from the life and come back again and resend this thing. Because he said he know her very well. Me, I don't know the lady. I'm a homonyo. I didn't know it can exist. I don't know her from anywhere. But she was busy saying those things against me. All this thing now be here that today. Obuno ki trace ye ki heni na na-eme si eme na okwa from saga. And the ha nwa ga-ebude kuzo cho ya bụ okwu. Or they call this blogging I na-eme. Iye make no gi post mmadụ shi from nowhere. Bia jiri insult bido de were gi comment. Na-eme gi expect ka na bati asia thank you don't mention. Then gwa wezi iwe or chokwa ki respond to that comment with that energy o jide rugia he pick your face. Because I say you know he behave ka public figure. You know he behave ka celebrity na celebrity bogi. You know? All you have na ana-eme KJ police, eje hot police. Okwa this the same thing. Kiwefu how wicked some of these people. Ha ga-achọ ihe ga-edit your image. Ha ga-achọ ihe ga-egbu you people new like this. I say onye awa ajọ mmadụ. That is the reason why okpu akpọrọ onwe ya gọvanọ eziokwu jiwe na ọ na the whole camera si unu n'oge si ndị police rather n'oge oge na ereziri ndị IPOB ego n'ogbugo mmadụ na South East. Letter si n'azụ no ọ dapụrụ ya n'ọnụ no iwu ọkụ. Meanwhile no ihe ọka amụdan wee kwuo ọfụma. Ebe ọ na-achọ ka o get ya back to her. You stand with the truth. I'm still trying to bring you in. The thing is not working. Maybe another person should send me a request. Let me see if the thing will go. Maybe another person should. I don't know why it's not working. If you have a different account. Okay, wait. Let me add you from here. Yeah, I'm not adding. We stand with the truth. Because you said you know her very well. I don't know her. I'm not the money and it existing or what. That's my own anger.
Okay, thank God, no problem. Good morning.
Good evening from here.
Take email. We do the one name. I have a program. Not somebody send me.
Okay.
Then say come just 5 minutes. Can go through on the radio. Only gonna name Caristus. I'm from Ethiopia. In Agua local government and Andhra state.
Okay.
So the lady I the book here, I'll call her my sister because we are from the same local government.
Okay.
This lady, as you are talking about it, it's in picture just sometime I think 2 years ago. We see my sister stop sharing or talking on social media. It's not wise. Because that video will go viral. The lady move from Onitsha, go to my house in the village. My mother not take that na compound. She videoed my mother, videoed my grandmother, videoed my father's car, videoed the compound as a whole. Bring her out of social media. No, no, continue telling her the truth. And the promise here in any other movement again cross all my arm that na guys get naked dear video you send during and post on social media. That is the reason I would do to her. Now, can category to about this lady story and those that are listening to us and those that are going to listen to the video later. This lady who a fan to Ogechi Okeke Njaka. She's a fan. She supports Ogechi. She was very happy being with Ogechi. They go to Ogechi good friend. Then Hannah, but Ogechi had approved the lady on her program. Or do you say as someone who a friend to someone? Do you say need to join the Christian Ogechi on her a lot of difficulties. That things are very tough for her. Instead, na ya nwa onwe ya na-eji ihe o ji wee wụrụ nwaanyị na-agba mbọ na-enye ụmụazị nri na di ya anwụgo oge esi no na-emezi n'etu ahụ na enwere ike wanda ebute ọya hapụ ụmụazị na hatagodosis oge ịcha nwanne ọwụghị eziokwu ka ọ na-agwa ya na di ya anwụgo so ya na ya kwugodo oge si okenye ihe na-enu bụ na ọ ga-ayọ fans ya ka nwa na gere give you something to avoid this kind of lifestyle in the can't live with all your home no category also the until the can own with them more year 70 or 100,000 I am okay. Anybody that is listening to me now, you can go to YouTube, type for Ogechi Okeke Njaka and Ninadel and Nedo problem. All this is now here. I got in here na YouTube. Already know maybe a make up story. You will see all the complications from the beginning to the end. So, where we hear that those Ogechi will make a video. Your own money here with the 4 children. Send the area. On the Ogechi to see the video on media. See account number you will mean at there. You have to go. Ngwana elezi ego ndu nwa na-eti ego na-agwọgide na video na-agazi viral. Nnu onye ọwụ nwa family ya wee kpọzi oge na phone si na nwaanyị a na-erezikọrọ ego akwa ewu that she's not a widow na ya na di dị n'ụlọ kịta and di ewu Joseph onye ọmụọ n'olu mba local government ka ya ahụ so ndị mmadụ dị ozi na complain n'oge na-asị ka ezi ihe na-eme from the Ogechi na phone twazie maka gwaziri Ogechi eziokwu that na dinu batara ya no na the compound ena nwuru ofu nwa dị nwa nwụọ ọdụ ka nwa ya na dị nwa mụkwara anwụrụ then nwanne nwoke wu Joseph wee kuchie ye those 4 children now Joseph mụrụ ha ncha niile you know all those things and young women have done one idea about media on one of the video that got viral you know which he watched some of her videos she's complaining after that okay they didn't tell the video they didn't talk the money they didn't tell the video they didn't watch how was the video but the video that got viral a lot of money now yeah that lady oh no is there more than 2 million something and you home and I agree it is there 1,060,000. Are you getting my point? So that lot of times when no one was Ogechi was here creating one color they call that time Ogechi and her followers everybody was very angry. The fans Ogechi was okay, do not get to her. Do not this one how we agree with you. Yeah, with the 500 out of that money, can you say the real with you? The woman which you snugger him over her dead body. That is her money. Is her money. Or now the fans Ogechi here will take the whole money completely. But when it's okay, or not to get toy what they have. They say the other one.
I wish it's fair.
Offer request 70 or 100 we go request to you. If we take that money for greediness in her. Now the lady question you before you went in and then she come out of media, started insulting Ogechi. Now one Ogechi will Ogechi is a scammer. Okeke is in her own account. You know that? So here we go how did they call on the platform? First was Ogechi. No one support by and no parents of justice and so many they start supporting her. When no on any go to every way of just they hear the woman name something like that. Now we lose the crazy author the lady. And that lady, like on this watch, the one on 8 pictures. Over in a single 17. Someone has now up 120. Aging 8 pictures. During 4 videos, here one. Different videos, different pictures. In other, in our phone, in our something young no one a very long time when I catch no money. So we are going to do this lady will create here unnecessary awareness of media. No money think any honey ways of which I am trying this period of time to make people not to believe anything that comes from that lady in the because there is no truth in her. You know who's really would go to that now over honey the way now he changing honey ways you. So now goes with the civil 191 chief pilot. You know her? Yeah. Chief pilot. Chief pilot fight because of this lady. Seriously, they have serious fight for years. Now, the of justice. Anyway, when on Solomon, and in join hand. Anyway, woman in California. A lot of them join hands together. Now fight to Ogechi. When you're woman in California lazy, this the more than 770 research. Yeah, those. Ona goes we will author ya naked no matter as it was a book naked author. Ona will report ya nay send the man and what on our own my and I fight naked author ya or I could report author ya nay send one in the saga. You know so here now we had the lady in all this while on social media. They use emotional blackmail, not blackmail no one and ask nobody. They thought that the honey is you. Now, question number 1 now, this lady, or here we are heartbroken. Ogechi just on her own, called the number 1. A lot of fans will get promise in a thing from China. We have they promise to be sending her goods from China. Call other thinking that she is a widow, not knowing that she is not a widow. Till today, you're the same one, the new which is Joseph. The new no. Ilu me market on nature. Edon as well here. Almost 90% of people never yana so na corner. Then we lady yana no in Asia. The lady tap your black. The lady tap your aka onye a na-akpọ nira dere ego is a troublesome. So secondary little concerning who she is, so that again can normally be careful with her cases. Also, so that is it, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You know, the thing is that Amaromonyo, all them surprised couple all those things about me. Amahom reason could all those things about me. I don't know. I even about her. Like he puts him about her. I don't even about the money may exist. How can I afford those comments everywhere back to back? And better watch you when you say oh later. I think Owen was saying for a video somewhere. I'm asking on a page Joge come for the one I seen no Ibukoji roll, no Ibukoji Azoma. So man as so this woman the shameless like this. Not be this woman where they insult me every time like this. I don't even know her. So no are the shameless like this. You know. Then the videos don't for quiet on a ministry. So more I was thinking maybe no because not Oji they do things about me because money
what's it?
money nothing, you know. But he get and they buy danger. Oh, for them they buy main problem and is that all these things happen here haranya side nke ya nwamelo na-ekuzi nke onye ahụ o mejọrọ react to, you know. Okay, now I made a post about Ihoji Mako. They send about her. No, post all those people. We are kind of telling me all manner of things. That why would I even talk about now something like that? They forgetting that one on that pointing out who could against me. We doing the and they are exactly
come brief about the particular woman in Ogechi, the most woman Okeke, and that woman just let me brief it because we like this social media to be a cool place, and also can anyone matter intimidation has become the order of the day in the land. That is where I stand. Even when not the page, I will stand with truth. Nothing will change it. The only thing I'm going to do is you no other thing.
That is just it.
When there is no truth, we can never have progress in that land. Now let me brief you about the woman who claim Nigeria and woman justice. Ogechi on her own platform, name her things. She's a blogger. She also do matchmaking, you know, all those kind of things. This particular woman, she claimed that she have every power to command on our Igbo. He gave me a social media. When you made first video, Ogechi don't even notice how media. Made the first video, Ogechi, but try all manner of things. Ogechi keep quiet. She make the second video another day. You know those kind of things. You know Ogechi watch quiet. Or made the third video. Ogechi watch quiet. Then on group Ogechi now, and you can see I don't reply to this woman. Now you feel good that you don't go get it in the date. Or that click not there. Has another nice Ogechi, don't do it. Don't react to her. Sister Chioma is there. You go very far. And so many of them see her, don't react. Have this woman. Ogechi, watch the woman. The woman made the fourth video. When I tell you Ogechi, then Ogechi is in here. She replied to her. Reply, call the price is mine. Why you know when Suzegini, no get close NGO ye. You see that kind of insult. When he although intimidation, I will close your NGO. He get the fraud on the man. Need NGO is no Yoshi with no proof. Because there's a same way in that. Yeah, I was able or Interpol.
Oh, for now.
Jeda upon Interpol, send the Interpol. From there, Ogechi is a gazetted criminal with no evidence. Do you see why the society are going down daily? People now more Nigeria Japa. No majority of them are in Nigeria Japa and Ethiopia. It never intimidate. All right to this, very all manner of things. Try to increase her for nothing. These are the evil many of them may create on the Nigeria system. So one justice is an evil agent and they use the Igbo in Ugwu, what is in the Igbo name intimidate. Now abuse the power, now abuse the law of Nigeria. But don't worry, no distance time. Everything will turn against her. In that on they use, they will run away and they will deny her. So that's a little what I want to brief to. There is a lot. Everything about Ogechi on this social network, an issue. And many of them interview on this social media. I interviewed them to know what the problem is all about. Enough that at the end of the interview, enough non that this particular one, no one about intervention. He have no case with Ogechi today. All these people need to fight Ogechi from now till eternity of their life. From when Ogechi, I am very, very assured of it. And I have interviewed many of them to sure. Do you know the one they call it the win Igwe?
The name is
the one that must chase them away. Chase them away.
You can just cash it out.
Chase them away. My brother, I have to go. I don't know how to teach you.
It's about them.
I got to look at the win before
after this life.
Chase them away. Okay. Chase them away. There are now Fightìng Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ogechi na alone program. There is a lady called Goodness. That lady sent a request on acting on live video. So okay, I like what you are doing, And okay, can I see the lady before? Edwin, you will go to that lady inbox, contacted her. They started communicating as boyfriend and girlfriend. On the process, Hannah was about a video call. Edwin find there out that the lady will probe the normal accident. And also find out that these people are living under uncompleted building. The mother and the siblings. You have to go those things. Mother girl, of village, come on Lagos. So Edwin contacted the lady and on the process of all what in love. So decided not to help the lady. You have to go on the lady on his own. Then later, as only an Ogechi Edwin the Panama, you have to go. Then Edwin we contact Ogechi and a lady did a program here some time ago. That lady needed help. You have to go. Then their conditions. Ogechi take it because of friendship over with Edwin. Overlook many people not go online. So can not go to attend friend here. Then, or what the lady, the lady that's going to conclude, okay, it's okay, I get here to these people. Do you know that now, the day I raise the ego on behalf of this particular family, Edwin, you will come out on live video now, I'm not going to happen. We are quite on behalf of goodness and family, not getting 150,000 naira. Then, on the process, because I interviewed Ogechi on that, and I interviewed the lady too. He had those people 150,000 NGO. Then Edwin Igwe and Ogechi agree. Now I got about this family J Owele and their NGO office in Owele. You have to go. School. Then the lady will call they agree on that. They send this all the way from Lagos to Owele. All the transport, 150,000 now. Now will Ogechi go to big and some widow and all the rest of Hagareji when here. They gonna have what few in number. Now, Ogechi on her own feeding these people for 26 days. They are more than 6 people. 6 people. Abozie Edwin, Ega Ipenampo, with the 150 Ipenampo. Edwin said, "No, ya Cheregodu. Why Edwin and and his friend and Ebuka clinics, none at Hamburg, Germany, have in their mind decided that no Ogechi Onyoshi on their own, no case, no evidence. Here Nabagi had a live interview I had with Edwin. So on the process of that, Edwin is Ebuka see Ogechi on the phone, record conversation now. Edwin Ebuka see Edwin, Ogechi Bob, record communication now. Can you get in the Edwin, I can't pay back the any fund that what isn't the money. Edwin within the money. The next thing Edwin in the book, Edwin plan on as linked to that woman, that lady and their family in a because you want to I conclude no get you when you then 150,000 local Edwin did not bring the money. He come out on media and start shouting, Ogechi is a criminal, Ogechi Onyoshi, Ogechi can goodness, Ogechi can his family. You that promised 150,000 on behalf of the family, you did not bring the money. Now, Onyoshi on media. You have to go those kind of things. I interview him. Only if we had now see this man since 2019 Onyoshi, we have any single evidence to prove yourself. If eventually you've been arrested today, or yeah, in as Onyoshi, or yeah, provide evidence and prove each. So we have any single proof that we need against Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Till today, I'm not gonna have it. Come go ask your brother. Maybe next time we'll talk more. Okay.
Mr. Badro, it's nice to have you. It's nice to have you. I really appreciate the conversation and other explanation. I wish I'm not even aware because most of these people, I don't know them. You know? So, boy, it's nice to have you.
So what? I will come next time.
All right. So when you also join me, you can send me a request. Okay, for my main problem with some of them they buy Nana Hekuizuku when they buy Izuku na de honon. Geji because na ha like hunya or ha like ho ideology unya. Unwe ka ha say fu unya na unya ahụ na-enwe issue or issue concerning unya because of the hatred they have with ebe unya ahụ no or ihe unya ahụ na support ha na like ho. If raise you kwa ha may like this. As I did like this today, 98 or 99% of people munaha na issue or not like him today na this social media but because na support Zion ministry because na we Christian because na defend the lies ha na elebe against Zion ministry and the evangelist Ebuka. If 99.9% of people on this social media today we now say na only go business money ame or no fugo mahanya for the first time. Ndai na funa ekuari na peto yini na konka hadaye digide sinimenka just because na defend some lies, some blackmails hanetini si evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry right from again on a buy. And that is the reason why on a day, sometimes some of these Zion people not asking, they made some posts over I say, "E can't equal na evangelist Ebuka we have preach this one and that one." Some of you, am hold the heat. People like us may take, like bullet. People like us may take on this media unnecessary. They have nothing, no business. Onwe ka mmadụ ga-esi agbagide nkịtị ifuru ọbụghị mmadụ niile ka ya pụta go na na-drag na-akparị ha na-eteki ya onwe ndị wasi the hot igwa ha ga-eti nke ha ose na magi send ya back to you, and that is exactly what happened n'ihe gbasara ihe niile na feel like this. Because this lady, I don't know her from anywhere. Obviously, anyway, go do me with I'm a homo. Okay. Do. good. Thank you, man.
MB, MB. Oh yeah, my slogan. I remember MB. So Mpugido on you. He sent them MB. Chileka Bogo.
I send the MB.
Anyway, I'm sorry. I made you argue. Chief part of the morning. I don't sorry because
good morning.
China gave up on that. Ka Brenna Onyarin. Kamura na-eche ka ọkụkọ yota Chineke kwena ka bere na onyere m anwụra na-eche echiche ka ọkụkọ ajụ m chọrọ ịjụ otu a nọ ebe a na ọmụ na ebe a enwere ha na-akpọ private part achọrọ ibidogoro ebe a first enwere ha na-akpọ private part ebe a mụ ji fon a enwe onye nọ ebe a etighọ m kamera here ha manage phone ma ji yipu ma onye yipuru m boxers ayi n'ukwu onye yipu boxers ayi n'ukwu anọkata mfu ma private park ọ na-aga na social media ekwesịrị ijugoro onwe m ajụjụ first iju ụgwọ onye yipuru boxers ya who remove these boxers from or phone ma remove boxers ma remove cha boxers na were camera same good and fine. See where na phone ma yipuru my boxers where camera good and fine. Then onye send this video, onye send this the video out. Onye send the video out. I get my point. Okay, see where now SHRM the video tina phone then njere phone onye phone where for that thing where transfer na kia onye video zirim okay normal thing onye be video private party at na phone you get each private party ga acho ka you get na pe kan kere si as in ota mmadụ si enye as igo phone mo battery there afa mo well go property mo igadago ide afi case ofuo so onye ona posisi private party na phone jide in case epo jerry service private party go eluzuo ya nye nke abụghọ nke gị iweta nke gị na phone gosi ya si na nke ha chọba nke gị
ijuwa
ana m abịa now I'm ikwu oge ahụ ha sị gị iji iwe onye ọjọọ iwe onye arụrụmanụ ị na-support evil what of nke okwu maka Ifeanyi Uba enweghị mgbe m apụtabeghị m si na ihe Ogechi kwuru maka Ifeanyi Uba na ndị ọkpọrọ afa na ihe o mere dị mma. I have never said that. Mana ị na-ekwu good morning to how are you something lead to something si buru ụzọ wepụta that thing lead to that thing attack long then the second one because all something wetara nka you cannot just say you have one but two. I don't mean support na okporo ndị mmadụ afa but si buru ụzọ get patiji onye afa so okay na onye asị ya otorobogbo nna ya ma otorobogbo nne ya ma ọwụ nke amen ma gidego dara akpụta onye ahụ bụ that thing blame goro onye ahụ first why you bedre ha ebe chize dị akpọtazie ya nwa why you
reply ya ihe dịkwa
like this. Do you understand? Una hapụta mmaga nke izizi banye na nke ịbụa
apụwa ngụwa 2
idogo eble ma onye nke awụ no penalty onye nke akwụọ but si buru ụzọ kpọtara onye nke izi ka ọ na onye zuo ohi jeresi mmadụ then apụtazi ahapụ onye ohi jewudo onye resịrị eresi asị onye ohi you can go onye resịrị ejewudo sọsọ onye a ezute ya mịa a ga-enwudo onye ohi zuru ezu nwudo onye resịrị eresi. I get my point. Mani eptota ha na-abụ ya chamfa ọbụgba na ọgwụ Ogechi jee chọọ mmadụ okwu onye ahụ reply ya mpụtakwa mba epele Ogechi maka ọ bụla ịchọ okwu mma akwere ya ịghọtago now I'm coming.
Itresi ihe niile a na-eme ị ga-afụ na ọhụwa na-ebu ụzọ achụ
now I'm coming. Even in our live video, you can have a live video. Somebody wants to correct you. Iju ehi na-ekwu adịghị home. Ọ sị gị bịa mugo bịa this book ị na-eme nkọgheri o si wee gee ntị si wee na enwere accident somewhere ọ bụrụ mmadụ ebu anwụ ịpụta si nna enwe ebe nwere accident mmadụ ịtọ ọnwụ ị ga-afụ gasị gị duto na ohe etiri gị for no reason ọ mụrụ bụ onye iwu kama asị gị brother ọ mmadụ ebu anwụ ọwụ mmadụ ịtọ ọsịgụ bịa mugo don't say what you don't know ọsịsị gị na mmadụ ebu anwụ before then up I go first if go ahead ebe stop saying rubbish if stop saying rubbish. I wish that now this thing I name I wish that this thing I name na show me down although you stop saying rubbish computer detect here police may invite if you don't na video na iju wana kpali na show me down ma tụcha ha nyere nga because I buzo with a hidden I want a hidden inji reply ya gị.
Oh, good morning.
I don't have reply.
How are you now?
I want to hear that. If you didn't, okay, all these people, if you na go me see that man, now their enemy. More than how much I put to the I never see these people. A job of phone number. I'm gonna go page here. I don't be full of her. It's just because Nancy, now Jesus Christ, where is it? It's some wife the boy. Na Jesus nwe onye ọcha na me kwesịghị ikwu ya no echem na enwere freedom of worship ọgaba ka ya si bido maka na si mmekpara alụsị ọ bụghị iwu ọ bụ ebe ka enmity ya si bido ya ọsị na ndị ọcha je yiro ịma na enweghịrị m ndị Igbo be anyị nke ọsị gị na enwekwa nne video nnecha ya achọghị m ịsa ya da video ime ome na ndị ọcha abịa bịa na-egoro alụsị anyị thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. Can not have any good and say, where you job and daughter, job with her, where now manufacture full body technology. Now, so, Tony reply message, and then provide the guy, and for the guy, I watch one way reply, let me say, but I change the guy, good and fine. He could raise you, how many of accept that he could raise you. Kudo ready. He could raise you. What of the remaining arrows say for our phone? Why use zone here? Where manufacture phone? What does that mean? What of arrows in the for one when the for our phone? Go what the for our phone? Use zone here where manufacture phone, manufacture technology. Kai. Uru manufacture here in Akitana. I am again. Chazi, I need to change me. As we can be able to raise money and go back to those countries. They put here and say, go here times 10. I get my point. So because now and the all the football for Oti no kita na Oti mi macha vida na. I have somebody now, you have a pick video now. Webster say, album, for example, album, he could pass. I say, call, you go. Then, do what I'm working. I will give every as a video, give or to go as a video. I'm going to work arrogant. He reply, he short kiss ya the home, he just put my now. We are, if you go to the video, you have a reply. Now, so this is the start. If there's some people that I better care group that I guess this is what is happening in social media. This is what's happening in social media. Now, My father, by the noise, mpo, ọgwụ onye gwara nwa n'ọgụ onye chọọ gị okwu bịa magị na bịa gwa m ịghọtago then ọ bụ na mụrụ ụmụnne m nwee problem anyị bịa ebe ahụ erugo mụa na ebe akwa na-eti mkpu ebe emebere ga-ajụ ọ ga-ajụ ka onye tiri m ihe asị m ya na onye ọjụọ mụnwa kee ihe m mere aga m ajụ m kee m mere ojizie m ihe dasị my father emere m ihe dị otu a ya bụ nke sizie na asịzi oke achọwazie evidence ebe ka evidence ya meziri ka anyị agbazi ka eziokwu pụta ife. You people will not follow this case like this because abakata m n'abalị dịtị mpịa m n'isi. Some people feel that na maybe na m na Ogechi Okeke Njaka egwu na phone or something like that ma ọ pụta onye anyị ihe anyị ga-ekwu abụta n'ime abalị ya bịa m n'isi nsị chere ihe na-ewu a sị na send biko onye video there first. Who video that thing? Who said that thing out?
Ijo chere onwe ihe nchọrọ ịgwa gị ịma na ị na-ekwu na video oferefe wee pụọ, but some of those video ọ na-eji ọnụ ya na-eme omecha ọkpọ onye ahụ afa Ijowa please don't delete it after watching. Ijowa delete it after watching. Ese m na onye ahụ amaghị ihe ọ na-eme. Video Jesus all those things. Omecha Ijowa please delete it after watching. Ọ bụghị ofu video, ọ bụghị ịbụọ, ọ bụghị ịtọ, ọ bụghị ịnọ, ọ bụghị ise, ọ bụghị isii, ọ bụghị ịsaa, ọ bụghị asatọ till 17th iri na asaa.
17.
What ihe na-ekwu.
Voila.
17th. Oh wait, this onye one man chefugo mafia. We stand with the truth. I say now when did 20? Ya wa no 8 no ya n'aka. You know, but so, my anger on a norms, all that this lady couldn't be anything about me. I won't post those things on my page. But my anger is that he won't about me. Meanwhile, I don't know her from anywhere. I want to boost that. Other go to many things. Maybe because in the preach on social media or like here, or maybe not often I'm gonna Ogeko.
When you cover opportunity, I will still do the video. Cover opportunity, don't be surprised that this person near me here. I can wear 1,001 women. Can I get a
before uncle?
I can wear 1,001 women. Can never put this man a kelikibo. Mandina send the yeah, maybe Abanuta or when you get Umwani. I put them. Battery, huh? Oh, my cable battery, Buru alternator, every bathroom one, Buru alternator, huh? Buru headlamp, huh? Buru real light, huh? If you said, every Buru man, the book chip Matay, because a number of that, why you know how one who can no Ibo? Why no care no Ibo? Uchi ya unaonya no heaven. Emgwara mo ndi obodo Igbo ndị Nigeria na-ese ndiri ego.
Before uncle.
Now, makara ya no obodo Igbo. Good na-ekwu na video call. Ke ekele m ke na-ekwu na video call for more than 3 hours. Ese mo nwunye gị. Una ekwu na video call. Ni na abani. Let me see it now. Let me see it. Let me see it. I want. Let me see this one. Let me see just one. Oh, to say, Pidon. Imeya.
That lady na ni. Oh, when you na bathroom ebe on asa.
Come. Oh, to say, Pidon. Let me. Then. Another person here. Let me see the down one. Let me see the down. Oh, that was a Pidon. Before man, I am feeling you. I am feeling. Can you touch it? Imagine that. Now that guy na record here. The record says here, Ogechi Okeke, mbeze kwuo maka ya, ebia bia msawa mo. ndokwu maka na sama mọgụ gwa n'ọgụ nwa ọkwa gị maka si let me see it na ị na-egosi video it na I am feeling you, you are so sweet. Hey, I want to release. Oh, yeah, put your hand there. In a social media, 1,001 girls and women are still doing this today. Ka ụmụ nwoke na-egosi sukurutuma to ụmụ nwanyị. Nke a ka ga-apụta kama nke nwoke na igosigodị sukurutu nke nwoke ka ọgwụ.
Oh, when you see there is this one, her son was videoing her. You could imagine.
Beautiful woman.
That means, Gigi, that means now, when they different edition from the one they send them, because when cast down we a video, can you imagine? And there this woman come for na video si na ye ruga Abuja ya pụta ka okwu na o sendere m na social media ka esi nweta ya wee send ya na social media siri ifu ndị bai ma oigi nwoke wo olileanya atachiri eziokwu n'afọ ya cannot even say the truth. All of them ga-afụ eziokwu ha na-eme ya like this. Oh ya wụ na ya wụ ndị Igbo nwe bai ji azụ aga. You know, because I na phrase joku in some cases, man, get due to maybe Hanonia have fall out of favor, or due to maybe Hagahunusi, Kwesega.
Yereba, Mbes, Jeromia, Umanine, Uboraka here, Muna, Maria, over how many times last one, I said, no, get Jimmy, where Maria. Thank God, the two I have. Other people can akwado is your John Thomas, your Sukrutum, in the name of it was Shanka. Ichopa is there. Go. Is a chapel or a fep one day. Fepum. And the social media and the wicked that immediately run a drop when do it didn't matter wizard. Immediately run a drop. The first thing you never say for me, Pim. As before now, check it delete yourself. Go me yourself. The very gear. So social media and the paradigm drop in 1 second. August go one.
Kangwagi, ọ dị ka ihe kwuru earlier. Ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị enweghị uche. Ime ọnụ ka ngụwarụ gị noodles na-abịa drop na inbox. Ọ karị. Ihe afọ mmadụ from nowhere. Obia se onwe ya buru this thing ya abia drop all the guy na inbox ya. For what? This is not making any sense to me. My kind of person, in a sense, all those things cannot even seek me or attract me to you.
It's like I want to know the chat. Sukrutu ma no America. One day no Aba Sukrutu ma no Jamaica no Canada. How about Canada before? Manikano Australia, Manikano China, Manikano India. Have a international passport. Maniki have because of no idea. Name exist. It can go different countries. Name exist. Onye Bariki have passport. Onye Neriki have visa. Ke flight brick have. Ke flight brick have a media. Yeah. Ke Neriki have visa. Haji road. Ya hamu mwaje baba. Mariki hand all over the world. And other people can warm up. He may put something. Then. Echi ibiasi na obumbiko imana time inu na wo fi map
so wadu come around the observe
I don't know
me cham me send the data
okay
yeah pokwa no
what good man aha before
amami hichori kwejo dere me na WhatsApp but this thing is not making any sense to me. You know, some people, amam ka CH. Like I said, all of this lady I be drag him unnecessarily. Ma bana I post to na I post to K post to here. But all he only about me, and many people are kind of taking her serious. Now, Mwanka be with the agadi wine onye ọcha njidire na alachi Igbo nlachachi Igbo akwụọ m ụgwọ this and that. They've been with wine onye ọcha na-eme live video go na-eme things like it is that some of them they buy enweghị uche. How they all this smart? How they use their common sense? I never replied that Eberima for once. I'm a homo. I don't know her from anywhere. Ochefuo na asị na onye bi na glass house ada atụkwa n'okwute na glass house. Ọ ma na o nwee bad record, if I should call it. Obena drag people unnecessary. Ufejega Abuja na sendere this thing online. Meanwhile, no yanwa Jackia the last year ne video detail ne resi umuoke for money. He have a very dark man mebru. Nke aditi better no a sincere person call what I say no media. I know Jia make a lot of money. Amakumna umuoke ne go iha online like our bonds. People they go this thing online. All the corner no now say come go okay video again. Like the old I think all those things or they make any sense to me. A married lady in that matter. Someone commented earlier that no one called unwea the video ya no business and how shop hogo shop the boy video ngwa here ke ele. The only thing I have to say is that you see all these things now between some of these people with Ogechi. People are always better say, don't side Oge, not support Oge, this one, that one. Cock and boost story name as if na mama here na like brain mad at her war of ma. All these people be Jpac create some of this problem by themselves. And the mmadụ niile ka ihe apụta on social media na-akparị ọ bịa na-agwa some certain things na-eme onye ahụ expect ka onye ahụ nabata ya ịbịakwute m ide ka o si sọ gị kọrọ bish abụghị m you need me expect ka nnabata ya sometimes onye ahụ nabatakwa ya gwazie gị nke gị kama ya nabata ya ikwere ọgụ ihe gbasara ụmụ nwanyị whatever enweghị time ya especially married ladies enweghị time ya at all because mụ na ha nọ in the same category na-eme some of those videos na Facebook can me screw ya up agafe some of these dia ihe saga oge ahụ even some people na-asị na mama ha oge this way ama m oge nke ada Jesus Ofia Forest all of them like about today come on social media you know that all those things adịma like ị na-teach you I'm updated ka ihe niile asị aga ana m afụ some just that na ada ana m eti ya uche ka mmarụ details ya just like some of you ma the details organization uche help widows I'm aware of it ama m ka usi a function ama m ka usi eme her thing there ama m pretty well wey na-agwa m those ones agwa and the only reason why everybody should I call them blackmailers or what from everywhere now is because no be a query Zion ministry onwezi hozo imana icho hana ke het yagi support Zion ministry if we icho hana ke het yagi on social media support Zion ministry some people are like kwagi man icho ka your hate ki lose people lose friends like people hate on social media bido support Zion ministry like when I say support when it has to do with any issue that has to do with Zion we wait Pota fully stand their support of Zion if we win surplus enemies rather I'm not capping all because no be query Zion came for all these things in around her eje boptasia and I want dinka they petition dinka we think bia menka g everywhere for the fuzi ezuku ha na-eme like this ọ bụrụ na ihe n'oge a support Zion for anything n'oge a Jpac na ndị a fall out of akụ n'oge just mind ya his relationship with them Ogechi Okeke Oge will never have this kind of enemies in her for like this. You can never see all these cases against her happening. When all because no side is Zion defend their those lies and true to that ministry and evangelist Bukobi. That is the reason why ụfọdụ ndị Zion na-asị ọ na-eme nke a nachi some of you amaghị ihe a na-akụ some of you anaghị erizi n'ọfụma. You see some of you unu adịghị erizi things ọfụma. Say o ji ekwu nke a o ji eme this one that one ọ na-ebute and this grace ọ na-eme nke ọ dịghị eme nke some of you adịghị erizi n'ọfụma. Onye nke deru long note na my inbox na-enye m reasons ihe gbasara Ogechi mee nke a ihe gbasara anyị eme nke ihe gbasara eji eme nke mgbe na the fact that na some of you na-agaza nwere ọnụ nwee ihu njekwu na social media today with people like us people like Ogene are defend some of these lies blackmails na all this thing allegation ha na-ebute n'isi Zion and evangelist Bukobi because whether you like it or not majority of people on social media they believe all those things. Ọbụna apụta akpọ m onye ọkpọ ntu people believe ya buru ya na-aga asị na nna alachi ikpu agadi nwanyị onye ọcha ha believe o buru ya na-aga ezi nke a what of nke ekuzi n'isi the minister evangelist people na he believe. Then I name those things and not drag many of us, not drag many. Some of you are what him mad enough. Can't go the spiritual aspect of it. Again cannot buy. I'm a mihin janyamfo. My name and only we na no na deceit. I have what he hanako. Money no na deceit. He feel the heat. E mati hanako. Sometimes if you come mad, kaisi would reply some comment or fire mad back. They say why you go like this? He carry haponya. Man, some of you eating at that seat. He gave when can I go? How much followers? And I say, "Bana, or ya na respond." No, so this one game maker. Kita on a mare like on a boom madono carry am on a fubri he can walk. Because people can push you. You see, people can push you. Don't he don't have anything to do with any TV. If for don't believe you buri and push wake up for now. Okay. But it's where we are not complaining though. But sometimes I can always tell some of you on Zion. Or post ni follow. Kega comment. If you can't have the hug happy agafelu. It's of you about comment hustle. Happier gafelu. If you don't understand how those things started, when a lot of things in the now they happen on media or off media, real thing that reducing happen, or just few small kind of they on social media. You know, but for this lady, Chineke ga-akpọ ya ọkụ. Lọkụ nwere na ọhụm ụdị mmadụ na-ebugharị all those things. Ona drop more these things in my inbox. Ebe akọ kwa anwụ. Many people na send their the those videos, send their NJM gini KGM. And I send again those gini KGM. The thing self would be very, very irritating. KGM. Now that inbox koya no kwa we nwo. When look, I'm a kind of person more major all those things and can so mad back to. If not, you know Jima, Kona Korobogo, Chineke Kepoyok. And for those of you who be on social media for post, una just the one-sided, the biased. You guys should always think twice before keep doing your thing. Ejima, I greet you. Patrick Didon. How far now? It's been a long time. You know? So when you also join me, you can join me so that I will random. Can you not born and change Jimmy Gaber? And you're not born. I'm not a bid na buy. On the use time buy. You know, most of them na machana and make case job, but you only have got chita. Just that no bo any kind of update ebidobe. Oge oyacha, oge oku yacha, update ebidobe. But obo ebuzo or police, they win the case. That is just the fact. Obo onye buzo, jepo police, they win the case. Because a lot of them be henyuri henesi. A lot of them do the henesi. You know. Somebody arrested his boyfriend for recording her imeko video. On a norm, so why only Mweruchi Gejine eme something na record your. Some of you no get shame. You see, some of you undi shameless. On a norms keki yesine eme by hand meme in a record on with gin kiji talk more of your record there. Would you send the mad? Oge na-emesighị ike nka dị very active in entertainment. Ama all these guests na-emecha ka ọgbanje ịbịa asị gị mụ adị m eme video call anyhow talk more of ịbịa sem send ya ego ịbụ onye ara mụ. Some people ya ka obi relax ya yipụ pant yipụ neka say video send ya out. Hungry Bingo nwa maazi Eva TV ka ekonye na-agba Hungry Bingo. No person will share his noodles first if you didn't share it online. Chiso, don't mind them. That's my problem with many of them now. Oh, my problem with many of them. Oh, when you can ask them no, Ogechi, Kekusi Bayaka. If I don't know, mad is again, send there. You know, get sense. You say send the arunya hobuhu for buhe bobuhe to buhe no buis or buhis 17 karaka. Different position. Different position. Man a bed, man a quarter, maybe on a sahu, maybe like a very useless woman. Yeah, that's a one. Asem na asa efere njide no ile kanji ndị alacha ndị ọcha na-akwụ ụgwọ mbụrụ nke abụọ m nka ị na-ekwu ya yo fellow idiot a na-achị ọchị jiri ya na-mention m in 2 pages. So let me stop here. You're not bored. It's nice to have you guys today. Okoye Peters, I see you. Have a nice day ahead. For those of us who know side down we have a good night rest. Okay, my appointment by assisted camera by this time. Me require no but my appointment by assisted 7. Share make we see. I only saw it on Ogechi live stream. No, Jane. Why will I can't share such thing now?
They make a lot of money from it. Now even white man self, then they say it wow. Another set now their boyfriend them they send them to, especially if the guy there abroad. Wow. So now no Canada na mpụta na asị mmadụ na-asị ege nọ na buy na-esendịrị m noodles na-eme nka gịnị ka njikwa na-eme. Okay, we know when all these things started. Lies can never stand. Okay. Can you come on live and explain what happened? Since you know when it started. You dey whine me, I don't see anything. Chisom Vivian. I don't know what you are talking about. How am I whining you? Send the other message. Okay, you WhatsApp. There na WhatsApp na Chisom. Are you with my WhatsApp number? Send me a message on WhatsApp. Let me know what you're talking about. Okay, we know when all these things started. Come on live and explain to me what started and what you're talking about. People are not asking why Ogechi Sugar. Her noodles. Facebook. She started calling Ogechi, someone that helped her. Yes, we must stand on the truth. Have already explained those things on the live. She said her noodles for living. I have. Oh, when the voice. I played the voice when I started. For those of you that didn't hear the voice, so the voice is sending. Let me play it once again before I go off. Some of you are sounding as if you didn't hear the voice. Nah, I wonder how she do it. Even my husband, I never try. Any girl on me channel, it seems send the arrogant those way. Or the it's in a been paggy, and I've been pagus to send me each or only guy. I cannot talk self. Chain I've been paggy here, just send the arrogant my destiny. Let me play this voice for those of you not joining Kita.
Good evening, happy Sunday. I don't know if you're reading my mind. This is exactly what me and my sister was discussing today. My auntie that is based in US. It was like kind of Mirabel was the one that I said no. Don't take sides. Look at how it happened. Even a lot of my friends were like against Sister Okay. I say people should not judge from one side without hearing from the both sides. They say I used to defend Sister Okay. I say I don't defend. I'm not even Sister Oke's.
This spice or some from Kwakwara.
Good evening, happy Sunday. I don't know if you're reading my mind. This is exactly what me and my sister was discussing today. My auntie that is based in US. It was like kind of Mirabel was the one that I said no. Don't take sides. Look at how it happened. Even a lot of my friends were like against Sister Okay. I say people should not judge from one side without hearing from the both sides. They say I used to defend Sister Okay. I say I don't defend. I'm not even Sister Oke's friend. I am somebody that is distant from them. I only watch, listen before I analyze. Are you getting my point? This Miriam used to be a friend to me. Like he do come to my DM to chat me during one saga with one of my good friends. So she now became friend with me, but I never give her that attention. We should get mad. She even said it in her life that princess come out here, person go to chat, you no go reply or blah blah blah. Say this I get time. This because I didn't give her that attention because I'm not a man in Dara and I don't keep such friends around me. Understand? Like they say in every action there's a reaction. Mirabel is somebody that's okay help from afar. Amarogi ipotasi na diga wona. Really enjoy carry down because people are just labeling Stogie bad, but not even condemning the acts Mirabe did. I don't.
The thing is that now that act or commit itself, equally may arrest because all criminal offense. If for that thing no me, jiri that dia won't go yeah narego or a criminal offense, equally go dream arrest to start with. You know. So let me keep playing the voice.
Don't keep friends. I don't mingle with people that have low IQ. because of the hate or the hatred they have for Sister Oge. Everything on Mary is bad. They are not even seeing the good side of her. And I don't care. Now, Mirabe is the person that Sister Oge helped from afar. He put us in the one. Then you say you need social amount. They raise it. They provided your account. Now, Sister Oge called you. Ego ahụ chọrọ agafela. So ga-akpọrọ gị sị ego ole ka e nyere gị. You now say so amaya said the ego dị over than what you demand. When return of 500k, they have an helpless people. They have helpless people they need to help. You became selfish. You started challenging her to do her worst. Then Stogena told you that he has your note. Or during the saga, a lot of people that you have sold your note to, they started giving the Stoge the tools. The Stoge was not telling you to send the money or he will post your note. You challenge her to do it because you never expected that. The Stoge now posted it now. People are now liberated. They did not even condemn the act that what is Mirabe doing with note in her phone. Now, Onyobodo, during the saga between Onyobodo and Sister Ogechi, they are the one that called Mirabe. Tell her what to say. Now, he's now using one word saying that Ogara born her own phone. You that gave your son a phone to start videoing or whatever, I've not watched it. Even when my friend went to send it, that's Madame Lomo nonsense. Are you getting my point now?
Those of you that didn't listen to the voice, so let me stop here. It's nice to have you guys. It's late here. I will do another program tomorrow evening. When I come back, we'll discuss about other things, these things happening in Anambra State. You know, so Chisum Vivian, I see you. There na WhatsApp, Kamaro, Hisina, Ifobel. So it's nice to have you guys. Before I go, Facebook is my page. You guys should write a review. Help me write a review on my page. Like all this, their review, a bit recommendation, so that Mama have a page. They hold my page down. Chisom Vivian. You guys should help write a review on my page. You click on my page after a day review. I think it should be a review or something. Just write something good. Let's see if Facebook will allow the page. They have been holding me down since last year. I took a follow Ambago on Abahane Opia. Just because of the little issue the page, you know. You might be the man I report, Manike Yago. How you share her noodles? You saw your name bright after watching this. Ndị be anyị enweghị uche na Zara Kamsi, our people, some of not all, some of our people, the senseless, some of them, all the bias ga-egbu ha. Kidi ya the ihe o ji aka ya send the guys, you know. Hapụ okwu a. Ma Chineke ya akpụ ya ọkụ next time mafio, they rubbish about me again. God, have a nice day ahead. Good night from here.